Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss further about how computer system works, starting from the system unit components, which are the central processing unit, the RAM, the binary system, and the software.
When you are doing your homework, you read the questions first, and data is sent to our brain. The CPU functions as the brain of the computer, where data is received by the control unit. Then, the arithmetic and logic unit process the data. The processed data is stored in registers, which function similar to short-term memory. The control unit also sends the processed data to hardware devices. In this case, my hands represent the hardware, where information sent from the brain is written on the paper.
Now let's talk about the RAM, short for Random Access Memory. To easily visualize the function of the RAM, let us compare it to something we do every day, studying. The computer's RAM is like the table you use to study. If you have a big table, you can open a number of books at the same time, allowing you to multitask at any point of time. However, if your table space is small, you could only multitask a few things at once. Some subjects require you to study more than one textbook. Hence, you will need a lot of space on your table. Just like subjects, huge computer programs require the computer to execute many things at once, needing a bigger RAM capacity. After studying, you will tidy up your table by disposing the scrap papers you used or keeping your textbooks back in a rack. If you do not keep them properly, your textbooks may be lost. The RAM is volatile, hence any data in the RAM will not be kept when the system is turned off.
Okay, so what is binary? Binary is a number system which consists of two digits, 0 and 1. These digits are transmitted as electronic signals. Each digit represents one bit of data. A simple sequence of 8 digits make up a character. For example, the sequence for the letter A is 01000001, while letter U is 01010101, while other letters have different sequence of digits.
Software. What is it? It is a collection of instructions that system unit components follow. It allows user to interact with the computer system. There are two types of software, which are application software and system software. Application software is the program that allows user to do specific tasks. Think about your movie maker or even Scratch programming. These are an example of application software. Movie makers allows user to create and edit their movies, whereas Scratch programming allows user to program and design the application itself. The next type of software that we will be discussing is system software. This software is used to manage and control the application software and of course the hardware. System software is divided into two parts, which are operating system and utility software. Operating system is the interface between the software and the hardware of a computer system. Its functions are for GUI, which is graphical user interface, file management, manages hardware and system resources, and security updates. The last thing is utility software. Utility software is designed to manage the performance of digital system. It is smaller compared to operating system. Its functions are for disk defragmentations or disk defrag, disk cleanup, backup utilities, antivirus software, and file management. The binary system is understood by all digital systems. When compiled, it can create a file or even a software. The complex binary sequences form a software, a set of instructions followed by the system unit components. CPU receives instructions from the software, manipulates data input according to the requirements and sends it out as an output. The instructions and data are held temporarily by the RAM.
In short, The binary system constructs the software, which are a set of instructions read by the CPU and stored temporarily in the RAM.